United Healthcare Insurance Company.
Golden Globes this Sunday, and of course this whole week we've been talking about some of the forecasts, maybe some of the chances of the nominees. We've talked about the gowns that they may be wearing, pero dahil nga puro makeup, hindi po mawawala sa usapan sa ating Filipino-American community, si Maxi. Kasi po si Maxi ang ating kababayan na naku, namamayagpag po sa Hollywood because he's done makeup for several Hollywood mainstream artists. In fact, now you're working on a show.
Yes, are we there yet?
Are we there
yes,
yet?
yes.
At maraming mga artistang nahawakan fresh of shooting with Snoop Dogg sa kanya.
Yes, with Dollface sa kanyang Let's Go to Vegas music video.
Music video,
yes.
Talaga. Social tong si Maxi. Alright, pag-usapan natin yan ang mga Golden Globes looks ng ating mga paboritong artista. Let's start with our favorite, napakaganda, Angelina Jolie. When you're as stunning as Angelina Jolie, do you need makeup? People are expecting to see her on the red carpet because she is nominated for her role in the film The Tourist with Johnny Depp. What kind of makeup will she need, and what kind of makeup does she usually use?
It goes also with your mood and the dress that you're wearing, especially kung halimbawa the dress is more dramatic, so it has to be easy in the eyes, and then the lips are supposed to be like matching the skin tone. So para when they walk on the red carpet, she looks like clean face. Beauty, elegant, gorgeous, especially Angelina Jolie. Oh my God, Angelina is one of my top lists.
Kung ikaw ang magme-makeup kay Angelina, anong mga colors gagamitin mo sa
kanya?
Well,
can I say a product?
Sige naman, pwede.
Okay, usually I could probably use Chanel products, eyeshadows, Chanel, everything must be Chanel.
Anong mga color? Anong mga color?
I can do like, usually like dark blue and black eyeshadows, and sometimes if the dress is more like more elegant and more not dramatic, so I can use that the one we call like the eyeshadow that we usually use with not daily look.
Parang smoky,
like smoky, but more into scrabble type.
Ano yung scrabble type?
Scrabble means like like you usually use it around the area, eye area, in the crease, but you don't go out.
Doon lang sa
doon lang mismong eyes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Next star that we're talking about is Nicole Kidman, who's nominated for her role in the film Rabbit Hole. And again, she's no stranger to the red carpet. She always looks fabulous.
Yes.
Pero she doesn't wear a lot of makeup.
Because she has a porcelain skin. You have to be aware of the skin tone, the undertones, especially undertones. But they wear makeup, powders, especially powders. But do not put a lot of cheek color on her. Because if you put a lot of cheek color, she might look like a drag queen. So we don't like that.
Kasi masyadong maputi.
Masyadong maputi. Yeah, and then easy on the eyes. Eyeshadows must be like most likely like air tone colors, brown, everything, and then the lips must be like usually use mauve color.
Kasi maputi siya. Depende. Okay,
yes.
let's get a tip naman from you, yung sa mga pang-ordinaryong tao para sa atin.
Right.
Sinasabi nila, ano ba, conflicting yung naririnig ko eh. Pagka yung suot mo ba green, ang eyeshadow mo green, o pag suot mo orda, i-match mo pa o hindi?
It's not necessary kung damit mo is green. I mean, you have to use a contrast also the color of what you're wearing. It depends on the color of your skin tone, depends on the color of your hair. Okay, so it has to be balanced.
Okay, all right. Let's talk about Anne Hathaway is nominated for her role in the film Love and Other Drugs along with Jake Gyllenhaal, and talagang isa pa to, flawless. Let's take a look at her picture here. Pero nakikita ko kay Anne because she has very thick lashes. Talagang very dramatic her eyes.
Yeah, it's not actually dramatic, but actually a little bit droopy in the eyes, but you should use lots of liner, on top and underneath, and then and bang it to the the lashes.
That's what she's doing.
Yep.
Yun pang mga paborito nating artista sa Hollywood, do they use fake lashes also?
Yes, you have to, especially if you go to a red carpet, because you have to enhance your beauty. Because I mean they're all beautiful with or without makeup.
Right.
And you have to enhance. The makeup artist needs to learn and study what facial structure she has, what kind of blush she's going to use. It's not supposed to be overdo it or something like that.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. And we have more actresses to talk about when we return on the show. Don't go away.